Baby, the school bus is still gonna come this morning. And the birdie is going to lay new eggs. Correct. Yeah, it's okay. She's gonna lay more eggs soon. Happy Wednesday. Woke up to our bird nest, which I'll attach a photo of. I had 4 eggs. Now has 2 eggs. They're finch eggs. It's a finch who laid them in my reef on my front door. I'm going to assume that they weren't fertile, is why I'm assuming she threw them overboard, which is part of nature. And we figured that out this morning and saw them. Yeah, this morning we are doing a piece of or type of content that I really enjoy watching, which is like the realistic resets. Yes, love. Ow. Oh, okay, come here. Pop on over. All right, here. Where are we doing it? This. Okay. Boop. Better? Okay. When we have owies that don't require band-aids, love to do Aquaphor. Makes my life easier, saves some band-aids, and most of the time helps heal whatever's going on anyhow. We're gonna do reset. Yeah, because things have been very hectic. Things have been very crazy as of late. My brother has been in the hospital, crossing the fingers, obviously. Most likely by the time this comes out, he will be good and fine and gravy cakes. That has been different about my life. And just a lot of new things, projects, tasks, all the pieces. And then just figuring this whole life thing out with summer coming up. Anyhow, we're gonna crack the pink slush today. I wanted something strong because we got a lot to get going on. And before I crack it, I want to say that I hope this supports you massively in being able to find that your chaos is 100% normal. It happens. Not every moment of my house is put together, all the laundry's folded. You will see all of that. And for the longest time, I was always so embarrassed to share stuff like that because I'm like, oh, I should have it all together. And I'm like, well, I haven't really been home, except when I'm home, I'm working. And I've just been focusing on getting my tasks done so I can do other things that require me to be outside the home, like going and visiting my brother. It's very much so a reminder that regardless of whatever your situation is, you get to find your permission slip in that, and we can do it together. I'm just gonna be time-lapsing, making it easy. You can obviously kind of see what I'm doing. We're gonna be multitasking, getting the things done. Let's do it. Okay, let's crack it. Oops. Yeah, we need something strong today. All right, let's get moving. Let's get this party rolling. Okay, so it is 10:25, and some of the things that y'all didn't see happen was I did take out the bathroom trash. I did wipe down the bathrooms. Well, you saw me wipe down one, but I wiped down both bathrooms as well too. I got all the laundry, that huge laundry mountain. I don't know if you were able to see that in kind of the background, but the huge mountain that was all over my table. I got all of that folded and put away. All the laundry is now washed. So we're doing the last load here. Honestly, like, we're close. We're so close. I think if I was being very like, we're gonna do all the things, the last thing would be floors, right? It wasn't anything that was like deep clean, deep scrub, anything like that. Obviously, you know, that wasn't necessarily the intention. Is really just like, I need my house to be visually looking good and okay. And then obviously we can go and we can do the floors this week later. You know, the robot vac has been going, so he's gonna go. I'm gonna prod him to go again after he recharges, pick up some more, and then yeah, we're pretty close. We're pretty close. I'm gonna go ahead and start this load, and then I have one more load to fold, so I'm gonna go ahead and fold that really quick, so that way that's done, and then we can actually start getting into like work. But I don't know about you, but I feel so much better when my environment is cleaned and picked up and handled. And like, it was just so nice. Like, I love my therapist because she's like, yeah, fold your laundry. So I was like folding my laundry and chatting with her, and then I was able to start pulling up my co-working with my bestie Anna, who also edits the videos. So I was able to pull up that and listen to the vibes and the music while I'm like doing the things. So yeah, so we're gonna finish folding this little laundry, and then we're gonna start getting into work things. So that is what is coming up next. All right, friends, this is where I say adios amigos, because the exterminator is here for the clover mites to get rid of those for me, hopefully. We are going to be leaving because we are required to leave. We are required to bounce. I am going to be, let me just throw this in the fridge, I guess. I get so anxious because I'm always like, I don't know what's safe, what's good. You know, like, I'm sure it's fine, but like, I don't know if you guys also just get like anxious about all the things. Peek inside my crazy fridge. Let's blow the candle out. I hope you guys have an incredible rest of your day. And as always, stay caffeinated, stay connected, and stay centered in Christ.